Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting in the 2025 GMC Yukon to answer a question that was asked by one of my viewers. How do you turn on the auto high beam assist in these 25 GMC Yukons? It'll work the same way in the Tahoes and the Suburbans on the Chevrolet end of things, but it's no longer with this button right here. You'll notice when you push that, the windshield washer fluid sprays across the windshield. So how exactly do you do this? It doesn't matter if you have your headlights set to auto or if they're just on, it's going to work the same way. But here is what is going to happen. You will take the turn signal indicator right here and you will push it forward twice within 2 seconds, like that. And down there you're going to see that it says auto. I hope that shows up. Let me see if I can get you a better view of that. Hopefully that's showing up. But when that is on down there, that means that your auto high beams are on. And to turn them back off, you're going to do the same thing again. And you'll notice that this indicator down here will go away when I push the turn signal indicator forward twice within 2 seconds. That goes off. So I hope that helps out. If there is some other question you have on the 2025 GMC Yukon, let me know down in the comments section. And if I don't have a video that answers that question, I will make that for you. Any tutorial that you want to see on any vehicle, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.